more will join.
So many.
They'll come to know in the very near future.
And how will the party keep its MLAs intact?
Sorry?
How will the party keep its MLAs intact?
Our MLAs, UDP MLAs. All are intact. All the MLAs are intact.
No, but so we are.
You heard anything about our MLAs?
No, so just asking.
Please give me some inputs also.
So, but we are seeing a massive, induction drive for many political parties. When can we see the UDP conduct these, induction drives?
No, MLAs, nobody has done it so far.
No, NPP has got many leaders for the upcoming elections, but we haven't seen NPP.
We need to show. We will show at the right timing. Why to display now?
How many MLAs are coming to your floor?
Huh?
How many MLAs are coming?
How many you think, Majus? As per your assessment?
4 or 5?
Minimum. Minimum 4 or 5.
What about Garhwal, sir? Would you be concentrating more in Garhwal?
We will concentrate wherever there's a scope for us. People feel that they want UDP, and I can see now that that move is on there in
But
Garhwal.
just 10 months roughly left, so that work should have been started.
No. We're still okay. We'll not rush that fast. We'll do anything. We'll take any decision at the appropriate time.
Are you confident of a good show in the upcoming election?
Yeah. Very much. I'm very confident.